What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. 大家好，我是 Zoe. Today I want to talk about how to say friend, bro, buddy, man, this kind of social words. Now let's take a look at the first word, 朋友.朋友.朋友 means friend. Its plural form is 朋友们.朋友们. So man is a suffix and we use it to change a singular word to a plural form, but it's only for living things like plants, animals, human beings. I gave you a few examples because I have something to explain about the plural form in Chinese. 我们是朋友，我们是朋友。We are friends. 他们是我的朋友，他们是我的朋友。They are my friends. In these two expressions, I didn't say 朋友们. It's because the subjects in these two sentences are 我们、他们、we, they. They're all plural personal pronouns. Subject is a plural word. We don't use a plural form for object. We don't double use plural forms in one sentence. 我的朋友们明天会来上海。我的朋友们明天会来上海。明天 means tomorrow. My friends will come to Shanghai tomorrow. This sentence, 我的朋友们 is the only plural form. Next word, 兄弟.兄弟. 兄 means older brother, but it's a classical Chinese. In daily life, we don't call older brothers 兄, it's way too formal. We call older brothers 哥 or 哥哥. 弟 means younger brother. 弟. We put them together, it means brother. 兄弟. Its plural form is 兄弟们.兄弟们. It can be used for friends, it can be used for your blood brothers, it can be used for strangers. 哥们儿. 哥们儿 means buddy. This word contains 3 characters, but the last character has no meaning. Is used to add extra pronunciation to men. So we will read men and together. It will be 哥们儿. 哥们儿. So imagine when you pronounce number 4 in British English and in American English. 4, British. 4, American. So when you read this word, you have to use American way. 哥们儿, 哥们儿. So this word was originally from northern China. Many people in the south actually cannot pronounce the so they will only read the first 2 characters, 哥们, 哥们. So if you find it's really hard for you to pronounce the you also can only read the first 2 characters, 哥们. Alright, so either 哥们儿 or 哥们. 铁哥们儿. 铁哥们儿. 铁 means iron. The metal iron. So this is the stronger version of 哥们儿, your best buddy. These 2 words don't have plural form, so singular and plural are the same. 哥们儿, 铁哥们儿. 老铁, 铁子. 老铁, 铁子. These 2 words are a short form of 铁哥们儿, and the plural forms are 老铁们, 铁子们. They became very, very popular in recent 3 years, suddenly. I don't even know why. On every social media, in different commercials. If you hear people say, 老铁们你们好,铁子们大家好, it's more like, hello folks, hi everyone, hey guys. They're not only used for best buddies anymore. It can be used for everyone. It became a very general word. 哥, 姐. So 哥 means older brother. 姐 means older sister. If you want to learn the titles for family, I actually introduced before in one of my videos, so you can go back to check. I introduced before, in Chinese culture, we don't use people's name to address them when they're older than us. So 哥 and 姐 became a very good words to address those people. If in your workplace there are a lot of colleagues that are older than you, apparently you can't call everyone 哥姐. So you can use their last name plus 哥 last name plus 姐 to address each one. So for example, Jack's last name is Ma, and I can call him 马哥, 马哥. Jenny's last name is Zhang, and I can call her 张姐, 张姐. That's the contents for today. I will continue introducing words like this in my next video. So thank you for watching and see you next time. 再见。